Hello, I'm here again to give you another set of oral reading. So this is lesson 26-B. Okay, so we will start from Dear friend, there is a fairly good chance that I will be asked to talk to our 100 office hyphen. This is hyphen. This is a symbol of hyphen. So office machine sales trainees at their meeting at the Hotel White in Dallas on June 15. Paragraph. As the meeting will close before 3 o'clock, there will still be at least 4 hours of daylight in which we can play 18 holes of golf. Paragraph. Will you be free on June 15? Question mark. It would give me great pleasure to treat you to a fine steak following our golf game. Paragraph. I sincerely hope you will be free. Period. Sincerely yours. Okay. So that's the end of lesson 26-B. So next lesson, I'll give you another set of oral reading. Thank you. Bye-bye.